Now the first and second classes, just revise the formulas only. Okay. First, write the all ratios. Actually, we have the 6 ratios now in this chapter. First, sin theta. Second, cos theta. One group is over. The next, tan theta, cot theta. Next, sec theta, cosec theta. Right? Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. You want to write it? This triangle A, B, C. This is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Okay. The next, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. And now tan theta. Write the numerators only. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here onwards is reciprocals. Okay, na? Opposite side by adjacent, and here adjacent side by opposite side. And now here adjacent side by hypotenuse, say cos theta, and sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. And here sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. Is it clear? Now the reciprocal formulas. Already we are taking the lines now. Sin is the reciprocal of the cosec. Right here. Sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equals to reverse 1 by tan theta. Sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. And the next formulas, if you want to do the any 4 marks problem, just understand or memorize only one thing, leave the sin and cos. Okay na? Rest of the all ratios, tan, cot, sec, cosec, we are changing in the form of the sin and cos. Okay na? Example, tan theta is there. We can write in terms of sin and cos is sin theta by cos theta. Achha. That means tan theta is equals to, we can write as sin theta by cos theta. And the cot is the reverse, reciprocal now. Then cos theta by sin theta. These two are the same formulas. Same? Tell us the same. That means leave the sin and cos. Rest of the all ratios we can change into the sin and coses. Tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin, sec is 1 by cos, cosec is 1 by sin. Is it clear? Okay? Right, now the trigonometric ratios table. Okay na? Trigonometric ratios table based on the angles. So first write the ratios here, sin theta, the next cos theta, next tan theta, next cot theta, next sec theta, next cosec theta. Okay na? Now the ratios here, the ratios means the angles. Example, if one ray, this is another ray. Once again, one ray, this is another ray. We have some space here. The space is called as an angle, right? If it's like here, the ray, and the second ray is also here, then it's 0 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like here, the 90 degrees. Okay na? Clear? Now I am taking the exact angles here. The angles theta denoted now 0 degrees. After middle one, 30 degrees. Next, the angle is next 45 degrees. Next 60 degrees. Next 90 degrees. That means two rays here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay na? Now the sine values here. Just memorize the only one line. Memorize the only one line. We can write the all lines. Right? The first line was 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That means sine 0 degrees 0. Sine 30 means 1 by 2. Sine 45 means 1 by root 2. Sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Sine 90 means 1. Actually we have the sine 1, 2, 3, but we are taking these angles only. Okay na? Now sine is clear na? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, under root 3 by 2, 1. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, 990. Next we are talking about the cos theta. I already told you these two are the one group, right? Then we have the one another similarity, that is write here 1. Okay na? Write the reverse, root 3 by 2. And this one is here only. And this one is here, 0. Okay, once again, sine values is 0 to 1, 0 to 90 degrees is 0 to 1. And this is the reverse of the sine. The first line is clear and second line also is clear now? Now the third line, tan theta means, already we know that 0 by 1, right? And listen here, the tan theta means we can write is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Okay? Then write here these two, 0 by 1, 0, 0 by 1, 0, and this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 get cancelled. Then remaining numerator is 1 and denominator is root 3. And here also, take the, these two are the same, get cancelled 1. And here, get cancelled, then root 3. Something by 0 is not defined now. That's why we are taking the infinite symbol, not defined. And the cot and tan are the same group now. Then write in the opposite things. Write this one is first. Next, 1 is 1, 1 by root 3, and then 0. Okay? And we know this formula was cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Next, we know that the cos. Okay na? Cos and sec are the reciprocals to each other. Then 1 by 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Now reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1. 1 is nothing, no need to write. 1 by 2 is becomes 2 by 1, and some 0 by something and something by 0 is undefined. We are not defined that. And cosec, reciprocal of sin theta. Then write the reciprocals. Is undefined. And 1 by 2 means 2 by 1, and here root 2 by 1, and here 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 means 1. And we can write like this also. Sec and cosec are the same group numbers now. Then write the opposite. 2 here. Okay? Right, now down. Now, listen this problem. Sin square theta, sin square 45 plus cos square 45. Okay? First, I already told you. First write the sin value. Sin here, sin theta, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. Okay, now memorize the only one line. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now the cos values we can write cos theta in reverse order. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and this one is 0. Okay? Now sin square 45. Find sin 45 value. What is the sin 45 value? Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Right here. 1 by root 2. And we have the square here. Write the square. The next cos square 45. Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. And here we have the square. Now write individual. 1 square by root 2 whole square plus 1 square root 2 whole square. Square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled, 1 1 1 only. And here 2, 1 1 1, 2. Now the two denominators are equal now. Then take the 1 2 and then write the numerator as it is. Then 2 by 2, 2 1 the 2. Then answer is 1. 1. Now write some questions here. Second square 45 minus tan square 45 cosec square 60 degrees minus cot square 60 degrees sin square 60 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees